Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm discussing with you on the subject of rent versus buy, which is better for you in real estate. Should you rent a house to live in or to use for your business, or you should buy a house to live in or to use for your business? Which is better for you? So that is where I got the theme or the topic from, rent versus buy, which is better for you. The age-old debate of renting versus buying a home continues to be a pivotal decision for individuals and families alike. Choosing between the two depends on your financial goals, your lifestyle preferences, and your future plans. This video breaks down the pros and cons of renting and buying, offering insights tailored to different audiences to help you make an informed decision. Now, I need to let you know the basics of renting and buying. Now, what does it mean to rent a home? When you rent a home, you pay a monthly fee to a landlord for the right to live in a property. Sometimes you don't pay a monthly fee, you pay a yearly fee. Sometimes you pay fee that is runs for 2 years to the landlord. You don't own the property and can relocate relatively easily when your lease ends. Now, buying a home. You purchase a property outright with or without a mortgage. Ownership provides long-term stability and potential for investment returns, but comes with responsibilities like maintenance and property taxes. That the property taxes issue comes in advanced countries, and even Nigeria, places like Lagos and some other places are being taxed on their property. Now, the government calls that tenement rate. Now, the following are the advantages of renting. Number one advantage of renting is flexibility. Renting allows you to easily relocate, making it ideal for those with dynamic careers or certain long-term plans. Then, in the case of advantage, another advantage of renting is that there's lower upfront costs. Security deposits are typically more affordable than the down payments required for buying a home. The number three advantage of renting is that it has no maintenance responsibilities. Landlords handle repairs and maintenance, saving tenants both time and money. Then, another advantage of renting is access to amenities. Rental properties often come with shared amenities like pools, gyms, and security services. Now, these are the disadvantages of renting a property or a home for use. No equity built up. Rent payments do not contribute toward ownership, which means no return on investments over time. Number two disadvantage of renting a home is limited control. Tenants have restrictions on renovations, pet ownership, or other personalizations. Potential for rent increases is another disadvantage. Landlords can raise rents periodically, impacting long-term affordability. Now, here are the advantages of buying a home. Number one advantage of buying a home is ownership and equity. Every mortgage payment builds equity in your home, contributing to personal wealth. Then another advantage of owning a home is stability. Owning a home provides stability, especially for families looking to settle in one area. Then owning a home also has tax benefits. Homeowners can benefit from tax deductions on mortgage, interest, and property taxes. Then there's freedom to customize. As a property owner, you can renovate or modify your home to suit your tastes. Now, let's look at the drawbacks of buying. High upfront costs. For you to buy a home, you have to pay a high cost upfront. Down payments, closing costs, and initial furnishing expenses can be significant. Number two is maintenance and repairs. Homeowners bear the full responsibility and cost of property upkeep. Then number 4 is reduced flexibility. Selling a home can be time consuming and expensive if you need to move. Now, key considerations for different audiences. Now, for the young professionals, renting may be ideal if your career involves frequent relocation. Buying becomes advantageous when you are ready to settle down and invest long term in that particular area. Then, another key consideration for different audiences is families. Buying often provides stability and opportunity to customize a space to meet family needs. Then, apart from that, there's also the retirees. Buying may offer financial security through equity, while renting simplifies living arrangements without maintenance concerns. Number 4 is the matter of investors. For those seeking returns, buying can be a long term investment, especially in appreciating markets. Now, these are the factors that will help you to decide whether to buy or whether to sell. Number 1 factor is financial readiness. Do you have enough savings for a down payment, or is renting more aligned with your current financial situation? That is one factor you should consider. Another factor to consider is lifestyle goals. Do you value flexibility, or are you seeking long term flexibility? Another factor to consider whether to buy or whether to rent is local market conditions. Research rent to price ratios in your area. In some cities, renting is more cost effective than buying, and vice versa. Then also think about your future plans. If you foresee staying in a location for over 5 years, buying might make financial sense to you. Now, on this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. And currently, I'm delving into the real estate business area. And I know clearly that many people watching now are going to say, where am I going to get money to buy real estate? Don't worry, I've thought about that sometimes for individual to even get money to buy a plot of land for 1 million or 500,000 or thereabout can take some time. So what I've done is to start and to build up an investment club or investment group or investment forum where we have people from different background and different financial capability. Some can drop 10 million, some can drop 5 million, some can invest 2 million, some can invest 1 million, some can invest even 100,000 minimum. And then we gather all this money together in the group. Then we have a good chunk. Then we put it into real estate. And then whatever we get back as rent or as sales profit, we can share it back to those who contributed. And then everybody smiles to the bank. So if you're interested in getting this kind of group, drop your phone number in the comment section below, and I will add you to the group, to the WhatsApp group, so that we can take up the discussion up from there. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. My name is Dr. Lumigade Titun, and on this channel, as I've said, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. Now, this video that is popping up by the side is the next you should go ahead and watch. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now.